Today I'm going to show you how to log out of the WorldCoin app, also known as the World app. Whether you're switching to a new phone, trying to secure your account, or just taking a break from the app, this quick guide will walk you through how to safely log out without losing your data. First, open the World app on your device and make sure you're using the latest version for the best performance. Once inside, tap the gear icon at the top corner of the screen to open your settings. From there, go to the account section where you can manage your personal details and backups. You'll see an option for iCloud or Google Drive backup depending on whether you're using an iPhone or Android device. It's very important to make a backup before logging out to prevent any loss of your data or wallet access. Next, select Backup and Drive if you're on Android or iCloud if you're on iOS. The app may ask you to sign in with your Google or iCloud account. Just follow the prompts to complete this step. Once you're in, enter and confirm a strong password to secure your backup. This ensures that your wallet and World ID stay safe even after you log out. Before you finish, double check that your backup has been saved successfully. This small step can save you a lot of trouble later. And that's it, you've successfully logged out of the WorldCoin app. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.